What if all insects went extinct? You might think it'd be awesome. More sunshine, more rainbows, and no more pesky bugs to swat at during picnics. But it'd be a disaster for the planet and for us humans to insects pollinate 3/4 of the world's flowering plants and nearly 1/3 of our crops. Without them, our food supply would collapse. No more apples, bananas, almonds, coffee, chocolate. In short, no more food. They're also nature's recyclers. Beetles, ants, and termites break down dead plants and animals, returning nutrients to the soil. Without them, forests and fields would be buried in waste and soils would become infertile. And let's not forget, insects are the primary food source for countless animals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. If they disappeared, so would we. Insects also help control pests. Dragonflies and ladybugs, for example, feast on crop-eating insects. Without them, our crops would be destroyed. So what would a world without insects look like? Barren, silent, and lifeless. The planet's biodiversity would collapse. And with it, human civilization would struggle to survive.